Is your VW Tiguan's alarm constantly blaring for no reason? You're not alone. The most frequent causes are related to faulty door latch switches and sensitive interior motion sensors. Door latch switches can corrode or misalign, falsely signaling an open door. Interior sensors might trigger from dust, wiring shorts, or even software glitches in the body control module. These issues are most common in 2018-2024 models. Knowing the root cause is the first step to fixing this annoying problem. First, try a simple reset. Insert your key, turn the ignition to on without starting the engine, and hold for 10 to 15 seconds. Next, visually inspect door latch switches for corrosion or damage. Use a multimeter to check switch continuity. It should be near 0 ohms when the door is closed. For interior sensors, gently clean them with isopropyl alcohol and ensure proper wiring. If these steps don't work, your Tiguan may need a BCM software update, which dealers often handle with over-the-air updates or manual resets. If problems persist, especially in older models pre-2020, it's best to consult a qualified mechanic or VW technician, as component replacement may be necessary.